This is a Telecaster I built a long time ago, and I'm experimenting with the Trey Anastasio wiring. It's dual rail humbuckers. So in the top humbucker here, we're in full humbucker mode. Then we can go flip the switch to put it in single coil. And then flip to the middle, 2 humbuckers in single coil. And then 2 humbuckers full bucker. And then bridge humbucker, full bucker. And bridge humbucker single coil. And then both humbuckers in series. Actually, that was both humbuckers in series single coil. And this is both humbuckers in series humbucker mode.